Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Subaru Legacy. Drifting is a thrilling driving technique where you intentionally make your car's rear wheels lose traction, maintaining control as it slides sideways. While many cars can drift, an all-wheel drive Subaru Legacy requires a slightly different approach compared to rear-wheel drive vehicles. Most importantly, always practice in a safe, controlled environment, such as a dedicated drift track or a large, empty parking lot, never on public roads. To initiate a drift in your Subaru Legacy, you'll often use the handbrake to momentarily lock the rear wheels, causing them to lose traction and begin to slide. As the car starts to slide, immediately apply countersteering, turning the steering wheel in the opposite direction of the slide to maintain balance. Smooth and controlled inputs on both the throttle and steering are crucial for sustaining the drift and preventing a spin-out. Remember, practice makes perfect for these coordinated actions. Before attempting any drifting, ensure your Subaru Legacy is in excellent mechanical condition, with properly functioning brakes and a well-maintained suspension system. For easier drift initiation, some drivers increase tire pressure, often to around 40 psi in both front and rear tires. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear, such as a Snell-approved helmet, and ensure there are no loose items inside the car that could become projectiles during a slide. As you gain experience, focus on mastering weight transfer, using subtle brake and throttle inputs to shift the car's balance and influence the drift. For those looking to enhance their Legacy's drifting capabilities, consider suspension upgrades like coilovers, which can provide better control and predictable behavior during slides. Remember, consistent practice in a safe environment is key to improving your skills. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.